start with your left hand here in the front at the God's eye view, 12 o'clock. And then go out and back and front, out, back, front, out, back, front, out, back, front. And this is clockwise. And we'll do 10 more, 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, and last 1. Now let's do the right poi, still clockwise. Start it behind your back at the, God's eye 6 o'clock view. Try and get it flatter than I'm doing. Geez, that was terrible. Okay, then we're gonna go out, front, back, out, front, back. Remember your Pilates as you're doing this, so you're twisting with your waist and core muscles to help you get around. And we'll do 10 more, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And then let's do your left hand again. Start at the front position here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and out, back, front, out, back, front, out, back, front, out, back, front, out, back, front. And 10 more, 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, and last 1. We're holding it here, right's in front, left's in back. Now switch the position, spin. So the left is in the front, the right is in the back. Then go to the sides, and then return to the first position you started in. Left, back, right, front. Then spin it all the way around, and then they go to the sides. Left goes back, right goes front. Then swing it. Both go to the sides. Left goes back, right goes front. 2, 3, 4. And swing. 2, 3, 4. Sides. 2, 3, 4. Left, back, right, front. 2, 3, 4. And swing. 2, 3, 4. Sides. 2, 3, 4. Left, back, right, front. 2, 3, 4. And swing. 2, 3, 4. Sides. 2, 3, 4. Left, front, right, back. 2, 3, 4. And swing. 2, 3, 4. Sides. 2, 3, 4. Left, right, back. I'm sorry, left, back, right, front. 2, 3, 4. And swing. 2, 3, 4. Sides. 2, 3, 4. Left, back, right, front. 2, 3, 4. Swing. 2, 3, 4. Sides. 2, 3, 4. Left, back, right, front. 2, 3, 4. And swing. 2, 3, 4. Sides. 2, 3, 4. Left, back, right, front. 2, 3, 4. And down. Left in front. And we'll do the cap going through the whole pattern. And sides and switch. Sides, switch. Sides, swing, switch. And swing, sides, swing, swing, and swing, anti-spin, swing, anti-spin, swing, anti-spin, swing, anti-spin, swing, anti-spin, swing, anti-spin. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more. And now on this next one, turn all the way around, do a 360, do a 360, come back, and then anti-spin 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now turn to the right, turn, all the way around, and anti-spin 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now we're going to turn again, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 more time, and turn to the right. And then we'll do 4 of them, and at the end of the 4 here, we're going to turn to the left in the anti-spin. And last one, now this next one, here we go, turn left, turning, returning, 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 and back to the cap. 3 more, 2 more, last one. Now we're turning left, just turn 180 so you're facing away from me. And now 4, 3, 2, 1. And now turning left, just 180 and coming back to here. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. So face to your right. Let's start it in the in-spin position. So your right hand is in front and your left hand is in back. And then from here you would do the in-spin, then the anti-spin. Spin, anti-spin, 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 spin, anti-spin. So right's in front, like this, and your left one is in back, like this. In theory, they're flat. In theory, mine aren't. And then spin, anti-spin, spin, anti-spin, spin, anti-spin, spin, anti-spin. It's like this kind of angle instead of flat. So what might be useful is let's hold it here. We'll do 10 counts here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go back and hold it there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and swing it to the front. Now, if you're in your back position and it's doing this, where it's floppy down like that, where the plane is really like falling down like that and collapsing, try to, so without using the poi, I'll show you what my hand is doing. I am pumping as the poi is coming around from the God's eye view, the 6 o'clock point at the bottom of the turn as it comes to the left side of your body. I'm pumping to the side to give it the force to get it to be more parallel to the ground as opposed to more like going into the ground, right? So there's more wrist rotation happening is one piece of it, and then pumping to the side is another piece of it, and then allowing my hand as it's coming around the turn to sort of swoosh horizontally to direct the plane more at a horizontal point. And then just to give the left side a little bit of a break, let's do the right side. And we'll do the same drill that we just did. Put the right one back behind you, get it nice and flat. So if it's all wonky like this, pump the arm, get it flat, hold it there, and we'll hold it 10 and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go out to the side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to the front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go back to the left hand, which I'm guessing is weaker. We'll put it in the front position again. And now let's do 10 reps of front, side, back, swing, 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 side, back, swing. We'll do 10 from here, and 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, last 1. So if you're here like this, remember when you're going to the side position, it's not this. You don't just slide your hand back. Remember to pop it out, right? So it's front, out, back, front, out, back, front. Push it out, and push it out, push it out, push it out. Make sure it goes all the way out to the side, rather than just, it's the equivalent of doing, which you sometimes do with your vertical caps as well, where like this is not the same as that, where you pump it out in front of you, right? So lifting it up, I mean, technically that's the move, but it's not aesthetically the same as when you give it the arc necessary to make the anti-spin oval more elliptical. Here's what I'm seeing you do. You're going like this versus like this. So if you hold your two hands here, imagining your poi like this, elbows down, hands out, holding your frame tight as if you're like a ballroom dancer and you're keeping your frame like this, and you rotate around the same point, your hands are basically going to stay in the same place. There is a little bit of pumping to the sides at this point, from here to here. When the right's in back and the left is in front, there is a little bit of pumping, but largely you're in this position. And what I'm noticing you do is when you're doing the drill with the left hand, you're leaning back rather than rotating around. Focus on the Pilates movement as you're doing it. So starting with the left in the front, 5, 6, 7, go and out, back, swing and out, back, swing, out, back, swing. And put your other arm up here if you want. And 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then let's do the right hand. Starting in the back position, put your left arm up here and out, front, back, out, front, back, out, front, back, out, front, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then with both poi, we'll start in the easy position. So start with the left in the back, right in the front. And 5, 6, 7, and swing, and 2, and 3, and 4, and use that core, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.